Saitama Inu, or Saitama, is 100 billion tokens enough? TA, what's next? Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, in which we'll discuss Saitama once more. Is 100 billion tokens sufficient, and what is my price forecast? Let's get started without further delay. What is Saitama Inu? Despite the fact that digital currencies have been present for more than a decade, we are still in the early stages of a monetary revolution that will reorganize our society, redistribute wealth, and allow anybody to achieve financial independence. The majority of the next generation of investors has yet to join, but in order for global decentralized finance to become a reality, they will need to understand how money works first and foremost. This is where Saitama comes in by delivering tools and content that help individuals feel at ease with money while investing, allowing for unprecedented wealth creation prospects. We got into this because we were tired of losing money on scam tokens, and we had a discussion about it. Saitama Inu was founded to provide people with the opportunity to build money. The project's founder designed this coin so that people like you and me might spend a small bit of money on the token and walk away with a large smile. After ownership was relinquished, the project was taken over by a group of dedicated individuals who saw the goal as valuable and impactful. They continued to develop it into a token that people will remember for a lifetime. We hope that this token will have a positive impact on many lives. Is 100 billion tokens enough? The coin, Saitama Inu, is doing extremely well right now, with a massive price increase and a market valuation of $950 million. However, when I factor in the liquid in the Bearing wallet and other factors, the markup comes to $2 billion. So that's why I'm talking about $2 billion and so on. But just to be clear, Saitama's real market valuation is roughly $950 million. So it'll be amazing if we can break that $1 billion markup again. But now, what's going on? We were basically just on an upward trend until the spark of Bitmark appeared. Now, there has been a delay in bookmarks, but once that catalyst was released, everyone purchased 4 times more than the individuals who invested down here. Day traders have grabbed a small profit, which is okay, so a lot of people went paper hunting. However, the dip was devoured in a flash, and now that we've gone sideways and are climbing back up, I believe it will retrace. It's possible. It depends on how quickly the speech in the list occurs, as well as Saitama and the event. Obviously, it's happening in less than 28 days now, and I believe the price may conceivably, and I mean potentially, drop back down to around $1.5 billion, including the banned wallet, or around $700 million without the main wallet. So that's why I think it'll trade for 700 to 800 million marks, but the dips will come in since Saitama is such a hot currency right now. Now, as I previously stated, once that Saitama comes out, we're done. So why do I believe that without the banned wallet, the price projection could end up being $2 to $3 billion, as I previously stated? But obviously, the $5 billion is with the banned wallet, so I believe it has the potential to reach the $10 billion market cap. It's so uncomfortable to explain to folks that it's around $5 billion without the markup. So basically, I'm arguing that 100 billion tokens is plenty, and I believe it because I believe this will 10x and then 100x in a few years. So, if you hold this coin for 2 to 3 years, it will be worth 100x, and if you put in 100 billion tokens, it will be worth roughly $2,000. It's truly as simple as that if it's in $20,000 and if the 100x's are in $200,000. This is a long-term investment. If you simply learned about the currency when it was started, you're probably up in the 5 figures or 6 figures right now. But if you just found the coin today or recently, you'll have to wait because the trigger is happening very quickly. This small thing, I believe this currency will go viral, and it will skyrocket once all of the celebs jump on it. There are a lot of people interested in cryptocurrency. It's really fantastic that I'm going to a crypto convention in Las Vegas. Why is the price rising? Let's take a look at the overall state of the union, speak about future catalysts, and just have a general discussion about Saitama. Saitama is exploding. If you've been paying attention, you've probably noticed how things have started to pick up in the 7-day chart. We were just kind of running along in the 2 ranges on the Saitama chart when it all of a sudden just started skyrocketing. Recently, it just kept going up, and then we took a break. Sorry people, I'm using the phrase rested to refer to dipping down or back down for a short time, and then continuing to go back up. It was quite astounding, and it appeared to be surging at a volume of 109% or more, which makes sense. It's wonderful to say that we've seen a lot of retail renewal money come in, and everyone must have been a witness to that. I believe that some of the money that has been sitting on the sidelines is beginning to flow in. We've reached a significant financial milestone of $80,000. We're adding a lot every day at this rate, and it won't be long until we reach the major one, which is 100,000 or more holders. So we're looking at 15 to 16 to 17 days, or a little more than 2 weeks, unless we get a significant pump. But here's the thing, guess what happens when Saitama starts running like this? As time goes on, more and more holders show up. People who prefer to hop on the proverbial bandwagon begin to arrive. So we're still running at 39%, and as you can see, we're hitting into the threes. So clearly, we've touched on that. Right now, we're on the verge of achieving it. Expect us to climb into the 3-digit range as well. So, in terms of major catalytic events, I feel we're in the midst of a build-up. It had to say that in advance. It's in anticipation of the premiere of Saitama on November 13th. So, Saitama's wallet is a major deal. It's a lot more than just a wallet. I see it as a doorway. It will serve as a gateway to the entire Saitama environment. There will be an educational component in which they will assist people in learning about money and cryptocurrency. There will be a content distribution component to it, allowing you to access and consume content. Obviously, there will be a game. I'm guessing the mayor will roll through the portal at some time. It's in some shape or form Saitama. I'm guessing there will be the ability, which is significant. The ability to purchase Saitama using Saitama rather than a decentralized exchange or in a different way. You'll be able to pay using your credit card, debit card, or any other method that suits your needs. On the Saitama wallet, you can purchase Saitama directly. It's a significant event, so that will be included. There will also be a staking component to it, where you may send Saitama into your wallet and obtain stake, rewards, and other goodies. The objective of the Saitama Inu is to meet a need. That need is for a simple, easy-to-use marketplace and application that not only safely and securely maintains your digital crypto assets, but also provides you with the tools you need to make key decisions while buying or selling products through Saitama Inu. Because of the nature of decentralized cryptocurrency and the manipulation carried out by persistent whales to influence prices to their benefit, Saitama Group has set out to achieve our objectives. They created Saitama to address this with their anti-whale contract, which allows for investment at any level and returns power to the people. So that's where I'm going to stop. I just wanted to let you know that what I'm seeing is extremely wonderful, and it's really cool to be a part of it. I'm a big Saitama fan on board, and it's incredibly great to watch it rise almost every day. I'm collecting data on when people buy and sell. Please keep in mind that this is merely my opinion. So, before you start investing, please do your homework. Thank you very much for taking the time to look at my video. In the comments area below, please tell me more about what you think Saitama will do. I hope you had a good time watching it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more illuminated videos, make sure your post notifications are switched on. Keep an eye out for the next installment, and we'll see you then.